Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Clockify for team timesheet productivity, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with Clockify, visit the official website. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner. You will be prompted to choose a sign up method. You can either use your email address or sign up with Google. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your details and create a password. After filling in the information, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Once you've signed up, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address and activate your account. After verifying your email, log in to your Clockify account. Now that you are logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. To add team members, navigate to the Teams section on the left sidebar. Click on Invite members to add colleagues to your workspace. Enter their email addresses and assign roles as needed. Once you've added the team members, they will receive an invitation email. Next, go to the Settings section to customize your workspace. Here, you can set the default billable rates and tracking policies for your team. To start tracking time, click on the Timer tab at the top. Select the project you want to work on from the drop-down menu. You can also add a description of the task you are working on. Hit the Start button to begin tracking your time. When you finish your task, click the Stop button to log your hours. To review timesheets, go to the Reports section in the left sidebar. Choose the date range for which you want to see the timesheet data. You'll be able to view detailed reports of team productivity and hours worked. If you want to export the report, click on the Export button in the report view. Select your preferred format, like PDF or CSV, to download your timesheet. Repeat this process regularly to ensure effective time tracking and team management. Regularly check the dashboard for insights on your team's productivity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.